today's highly developed society, there is a high demand for technologically advanced and high-tech products in order to satisfy our high standard of living and social development. Amongst all these products, air compressor plays an important role in the upstream stage of producing high-tech and precision equipment. We are such company that produces technologically advanced and high-tech air compressors. We have various types and sizes of compressors to meet all kinds of requirement. Standard type, driven by star delta, known as D-type. Premium type, driven by inverter, complete with soft starter, known as DV-type, with energy savings of up to 35%. Our air compressors have a super control system known as I technology control, which can be set to synchronize or interchange control mode. Synchronize mode. Using our I technology controller's unique built-in synchronizing function linked to other air compressor, maximum up to 16 units, we can set either one compressor as a master unit to control the other. This synchronized function can help save up to 5.28% of power consumption. I technology control can also support remote control and monitoring capability via computer network in order to monitor all its link compressors through the PC. Our air compressors are installed with specialized specification motors which can accommodate local working condition. For example, under full loading condition of our 50 horsepower air compressor only uses approximately 56 amps of power consumption. Depending on different working environment, our air compressor design ambient temperature is designed as high at 40 degrees Celsius to allow low operating temperature, which is plus minus 85 degrees Celsius under the worst environment. Besides air compressors, our company also produces related products such as air dryer, pre- and after filters, air receiver tank, oil and water separator.